Hello everyone! Baby and I have been not well, so our videos have slowed a whole lot down whilst we're recovering. But whilst we've been sick, I thought maybe it's a good idea to do an episode about the different things that we can do when we are not feeling well. And of course, we're going to learn how to say things in Samoan. To say that I am sick, you would say ua o maʻi. If you are talking about someone else being sick, you would say o lai maʻi. So if someone said, "How's baby?" I would say o lai maʻi. He is sick. Ole hale maʻi, ole halo na maʻi. What is he sick with? O lo'o tiga, lona, na whaa'i. O lo'o tiga, lona, ulu. O lo'o tiga, ona, nifo. So a good thing for us to learn would be to know the different parts of the body in Samoan. Oh, it's okay, Papa. Ua tale pepe. When you're sick, pea whai ua e maʻi. Stay home, nofo I le whale. Ask for help, fesili mo se fesoasoani. Dress appropriately, whaile leo off. Wear a mask, whaile pui pui o fōlinga. Wash your hands for fulu o lima. Don't share with others when sick. Aua le whaasoa maisi pea e maʻi. Sight words for health. Upu ai mo le soifua malolo ina. Maʻi, tiga, le lava, vai vai, fiva, vevela, mafatua, tale, maʻalili, whaafaufau, puaʻi, fōmaʻi. Tausi soifua e tausi maʻi. Whale maʻi. Fongi lo wisu. Tatalo. Fesoasoani. Vaiti polo. Supo. Whaasolosolo ina malosi. Manuia. Malolo. Maʻisela.
Vamusela. Tausi. Manava. Fulu. Fa'amalu si tinu. Siaki. Maʻisuka. Maʻi mata. Wala au mawaila au. Band-aid. Tui. Okisene. Niniva. Nenefu le va'ai. Tutuli. Ngongo. Manua. Koviti.
See you when we're much better. Bye everyone.